And you just undo here this, and there we go. Go like this, and instead of just pushing back, how cute is a scarf though? I'm absolutely loving the vibes. This is gonna be my look in the morning for errands. Let's say that you have something going on at nighttime. You don't want to let your hair loose yet, but you have to go run errands. You have to go do things. You just put your hair up in a scarf and you're giving like 1950s pinup vibes. And then at night, you just take it out when you're ready for your hot date. Like it's honestly perfect, and this is the way that we're really gonna maintain our hair super like nice and healthy without adding so much heat to it. Like, it is an absolute game changer. Decided that I was gonna do a long video because so many people have so many questions and so many people still kind of don't understand like the overnight blowout. So this is what it looks like. I have a little clip in the back. If you follow me on TikTok, then you already have seen this. Believe it or not, these are rods and a sock. So there we are. That in itself, this is a look. This is a look. This is a vibe. We love it. And then you just undo here this. And then there we go. Currently like 1 p.m. and I've had my hair in those socks since last night. And then you just, you know, this is pretty much what it looks like. Fabulous. Incredible. And the cool thing about it is that you can pretty much do this every night. And the longer that you do it, the more that the hair is going to hold. All it is a sock with rods inside of it. I mean, you guys have seen this. I feel like it's repetitive, but people continue to ask, so I'm going to continue to answer. I have 4 of these. That's one of the commonly asked questions. How many? You add them in here. I'm going to show you how to properly roll it because people are still having issues. If you follow me on TikTok, you know that I'm coming out with my own product. But in the meantime, I wanted to show you exactly how I do it, kind of like step by step, and answer all the questions that everybody's been asking, just because I want you to have cute heatless curls, you know what I mean? Obviously, you want to add a hairspray and kind of scrunch it up. So I'm going to answer some questions that you guys have been asking. Do you do this on dry hair or wet hair? You do it on dry hair, okay? If you did just wash your hair, you want it to be at least 95% dry. I would recommend you just do it on dry hair, period. If you do it on wet hair, the hair is not going to dry. Also, if you do it on clean hair, it's not going to be as defined as if you did it on like 2-day hair or 3-day hair, because since the hair doesn't have any type of like natural oils, it's not dirty at all. There's nothing for it to hold on to. So if you are going to do it from clean hair, you have to continue to do it for several nights for you to really get that nice curl. Because even when I do it, and you know, I've been doing it for a long time, I really know how to do it. The first day of clean hair, it's not gonna come out super defined. Like, you can see how these bottom ones are like not as defined because the hair's clean. There's really nothing to grab onto, no natural oils. If you already have a blowout, the hair is obviously going to preserve the blowout the best way. You can do it absolutely heatless, but it's going to take longer for your hair to develop a curl like this that's like really nice and formed, right? Because you're pretty much molding the hair from zero, and you're molding clean hair, which is even harder. So it is an option to do it completely heatless on clean hair, but it is going to take you longer. You're probably not going to get the best result on the first night. You'll have to continue to do it to like train your hair, but it is possible to do this completely heatless. I do it, I like to either do a full blowout, wear it through the day, and then at night put it in my overnight blowout, and then go the week without heat styling my hair, and I just pretty much continue to do the overnight blowout. Or I will do it on clean hair, and I'll show you guys a video here on how I just pretty much give a bend to the ends and go that way. I usually don't do it completely heatless just because it's going to take too long. I don't mind adding heat to my hair once every few days. So that's usually how I do it, but it is possible to do it completely heatless. Go ahead and show you guys how to do it. So I pretty much just go around like the crown area here, and I section that off. And then I will brush it out. And honestly, the parts don't really matter unless you're gonna like go out. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my sock and kind of like roll it up. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys a trick here, okay? So you go like this, and instead of just pushing back, you want to almost push down, okay? Down, and then up. Does that make sense? And then you kind of clamp it. So there you go. I feel like that's the thing that people probably have a lot of issues with. And if it takes you a few times, it's completely fine. So what you're going to do, again, is you're going to push like all the way, like your top, right? You're going to push down, and then you're going to push up, and then you're going to wrap it like that. The rods, you just put them into the sock, and there you have it. This is like not the most flattering position, but you pretty much grab it, you roll with it, and then again, you go, it's kind of uneven actually. Okay, you go down, and then you go up. Does that make sense? So you almost like flip it up a little bit. Take the clip and clip the back. This is perfect for if you sleep on your side. Like, you'll be completely fine. Then you want to take your bonnet, and I know a lot of people have been asking, is the bonnet completely necessary? I would highly advise that you get a bonnet, because like you can roll this forward, you see? And so that way when you lay down, this is like completely forward, and it's not like hangling and dangling around. I know a lot of people also were saying that, you know, it really pulls on their scalp, but it's important that you like pull it out, you know, that you kind of do that so it's not pulling on anything, because you definitely do not want to have something pulling on your scalp all night, because then, yeah, that's just not a good idea. So definitely pull it so that way it's like not super tight on any specific hair, you know? So like this is fine for me. It feels taut, like it feels secure, but it's not like pulling on individual strands of hair, if that makes sense. This is what the back looks like. See how the socks don't look super like aesthetic? Like you can make it work, but like I said, I'm coming out with something that's going to be cute. You can wear out, you can wear with your scarf, which is also really cute. We love to see it. So make sure that you guys sign up for my email list. If you want to learn how to do like the 3-rod method that I do, then you can check my TikTok. I'm going to link a bunch of videos down below. I'm also going to link my TikTok overnight blowout playlist, because there's like so many different videos on there. So if you guys have any questions, just let me know down below. But I hope that I answered everything. This example is quite messy, but I'm going to show you guys how I would like wrap it. Like that, and then you kind of just tuck this one in here, and then you could just tuck these in here as well, and then you just kind of do that. This is like a hairstyle in itself, and then you just use it to pretty much go and like run errands and do all kinds of stuff. And my favorite part about it, you guys, is that I get to wake up at 4 a.m. and I have like luscious, beautiful hair, and my hair stays healthier because I'm not constantly adding heat to it every day. I add heat to it like every 5 days. I've gone 11 days without washing my hair and only going with the overnight blowout, and it looks amazing the whole time. I just do my refresh routine, which is on my TikTok. I hope that I answered everything, but if you guys still have questions, please leave them down below, and also don't forget to sign up down below on my website for my email list for updates, because what's coming is, it's going to be so good, guys. Like, I'm really, really excited. We're testing it out on different people with different hair types to make sure that it's going to work for everybody, and it's going to leave your hair looking amazing, fabulous. It's going to be affordable. It's going to be cute, and I just really know that you guys are going to like it. You guys are going to enjoy it. So don't forget to sign up. I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys very soon. You guys, I really miss doing that.